It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible service now and in the future, and this type of feedback motivates us to keep working hard. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.